Hello students, how are you all? So today we will discuss the maths chapter 8 of length, that is the part 3 of this chapter. So students, till now we have discussed about the longer and the shorter one. This is what we have seen the difference, what is the longer and what is the shorter, and the longest and the shortest, taller and shorter, and tallest and the shortest, thick and thin, what is the difference between thick and thin, and what is the difference between thickest and the thinnest, and who are the objects which are nearer to us and the further to us, and nearest and the furthest. Okay students, so this is till now we have already discussed in this chapter. So now we will discuss about the increasing order of length. So in this, like when we will do the exercise, then you will understand. Arrange in increasing order of length. Write 1, 2, 3 in the boxes. Okay students, so let's do the exercise first, then we will going to understand. Like we have to write down 1, 2 and 3 in the increasing order. So likewise this is the first one, okay, and that is the second one, and this is the tallest one, that means a bat. Okay, so this is the tallest one. So we have 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so again, arrange in increasing order of length. Write 1, 2, 3 in the boxes. So now we have to write down 1, 2, 3 in the boxes in the increasing order. Okay, so again we have to do 1, 2 and 3. So tube light is the tallest one, so we'll write 2 here, 3 here. Badminton is a bit smaller than the tube light, then we'll write 2 here, and hairpin, the first one. Okay, so now we'll do the fill in the blanks. Like dash is the shortest and dash is the longest one. So we will be writing here crayon, so crayon is the shortest one, and what is the longest one? Yes students, bat is the longest one. So we'll be writing here. Okay, now B1 are longer than the hairpin. So as you can see, there is a hairpin. Okay, so now we have to find out the objects which are longer than. Okay, so what is the longest one? There is a racket and there is a tube light. Okay students, so we have to write it down here. First is racket, and tube light. Okay students, so this is how we have to write it down. Then the second one is C is dash are shorter than the tube light. So we have to write it like this. So what is the shorter than the tube light? Yes students, badminton and pin. So we'll write it here racket and the pin. That is racket, racket and hairpin are shorter than the tube light. Okay students, this is how you have to do it. Again there is another exercise, and in this decreasing order of length. So students, we have to find out the decreasing order. Like there is an example over here. Arrange the in decreasing order of length. So in this you will have to arrange it by decreasing order. Like we have to write it down 1 for the golf stick, 2 for the pencil, and 3 for the matchbox, because golf stick is the longest one, Then another come, there is a pencil which is smaller than the hockey golf stick, and there is a match stick. So which is the smallest one? We have to mark 3 over here. So now we'll do the another exercise. Arrange in decreasing order of length, right? 1, 2, 3. So first we have to find out the tallest one. So which is the tallest one? That is hockey. So we have to write it out 1 over here. Then we have to find out the smallest one. So smallest than the hockey stick. So that is 2. That is the paintbrush. And then the smallest one is the spoon. So we have to write it down 3 over here. Okay, students? So this is how we have to do it. Now we'll do the exercise which is given here. So the first one, fill in the blanks. First, dash is the shortest and the small and dash is the longest. So we have to write it down. Matchstick is the shortest and the golf stick is the longest. So likewise we have to do the another exercise, that is B. Dash are the are shorter than hockey sticks. So what are the 2 things which are shorter than the hockey sticks? Let's see the picture. There is a brush and there is a spoon. So we have to write it down here. Brush, and the second one is spoon. Okay, spoon are the shorter than the hockey. So again there is another one, are longer than spoon. So we have to write it down which are longer than spoon. There is a hockey and there is a brush. So we have to write it down, hockey, hockey stick, and brush. So brush are the longer than the spoon. So students, this is how we have to do it. Please students,